Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Qayyimah Wadiah binti Alim. My matrix number is S67079. This is for the subject MPU3312A, Appreciation of Nature and Marine Heritage, Semester 1, Session 22/23. My mentor is Dr. Kasitino binti Zat. Citra have 6 elements, which is communication and leadership, that can be chosen either one of that, and spirituality, volunteering, sports and recreation, arts and culture, and entrepreneurship. I have made a communication element, a spirituality element, and entrepreneurship element. I have attend 2 programs of these 3 Citra. The first program that I entered is Nadwa Sastera Islam Serantau. This program is conducted by the Language and Library Council on 29 November 2022 on 8 AM and on Facebook Live. This program invites Associate Prof. Dr. Kamariah Kamaruddin to present Islamic literature as a catalyst for prosperity. The objectives of the program has 3, which is preserve literary words with Islamic elements so that they are always appreciated, read and passed down as a source of cultural reference for the nation. Second is celebrating the role and contribution of research carried out in the field of literature, especially Islamic literature. And the third is invigorating and further expanding the coverage of regional Islamic culture. Many new vocabulary can be understood more deeply. Next program, I enter polishing assignment skill 2.0. This program is conducted on 3rd December 2022, 8 AM by the UMT Possessor Club. This program is conducted virtually at a Cisco WebEx meeting. This program have 2 objectives, which is the students be able to build knowledge about how to write well for assignments for each subject. Second is showing examples of the best and excellent papers, and indirectly students can find out the mistakes that need to be avoided in every writing assignment. I have attended a program on Kuliah Maghrib, which is Muhasabah Islah Diri Demi Insan Rabbani. The program starts at 7:30 PM. The date is 5th December 2020. It is located at Sultan Muhammad Islamic Center. PISM invited PU York to give the students self-reflection. The objectives of this program have 2, which is students can know the blessings that God gives to humans. Students can be grateful for the blessings He has bestowed. Next, I attend the Usra bulanan December. This program is conducted in the morning, which is 9 o'clock. Date 31st December 2022. My Usra Club is the organizer of this program. It was held at the Sultan Mahmud Islamic Center. This program have 3 objectives, which is creating an Usra atmosphere closer to your students, delivering useful knowledge to students, giving the Nakib and Nakibah the opportunity to get to know the new Mad'u members physically. I have attended a program Bicara Santai. This program takes place on Wednesday at 8:30 PM. It was on 30 November 2022. The organizer is my overseas UMT Club. This program is conducted virtually at a Cisco WebEx meetings. This program have 3 objectives, which are opening a room for students to get to know my Agrosis Club, together with the current management members of the club, reveal to the students that breeding is one of the interesting careers in the field of entrepreneurship. And the last one is increase the knowledge students related to young entrepreneurs to have been successful in business since in university. Next program I attend is Pocket Talk Usahawan Alumni Mindset Usahawan Berjaya. This program held on 17th December 2022 at the UMT Student Studio at 8:30 p.m. This program is organized by the Entrepreneurship and Career Center and my Agrosis Club. This program have 3 objectives, which are giving student bodies the opportunity to accompany alumni who have been successful in the field of entrepreneurship. Second, research and find the entrepreneurial talent of potential students as entrepreneurs. Third, giving exposure to UMT students about entrepreneurship. And that's all from me. Thank you.